We all know that the most beautiful places on earth are often spoiled by herds of tourists. Yet, the world still harbors hidden secrets. Now, let's take an epic journey to the most inaccessible parts of the globe. These are the most mysterious places on the planet. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself to you. Hi, this is D from Team Dre. Just don't forget to like, leave your thoughts on the comment section, and subscribe. Let's go! So now we're presenting to you the top 10 mysterious lost worlds on Earth. Number 10, Melville Range, Australia. Near and yet so far, Melville Range lies on a giant plateau on Queensland Cape York Peninsula, about 10 hours north of Cairns. Biologists last year found that its hulking granite boulders concealed a rainforest only accessible by helicopter. It is home to fascinating native creatures found nowhere else, including the tail-lip gecko. Number 9, Sima Humpulot, Venezuela. Sari-Sari-Nama Tepuy is a remote 3,500-meter mountain. Its flat top punctured by two sinkholes, Sima Martel and Sima Humpulot. The latter is so large, it has its own ecosystem at the bottom, which introduced many new plants to science. Discovered in 1961, the sinkhole is still considered a mystical and evil spot by locals. Number 8 is Scotia Ridge, Southern Ocean. Deep beneath the surface of the Southern Ocean, between Antarctica and the tip of South America, lies an aquatic biotope, first explored by a rowboat in 2010. This hot, dark habitat, 2,400 meters down, is warmed by hydrothermal vents, where temperature can reach an incredible 382 degrees Celsius. It contains huge colonies of previously unknown species, including the albino octopus, seven-pronged starfish, and yeti lobster. Number 7, Palawan Highlands, Philippines. In 2007, a team of botanists journeyed to an isolated corner of the Palawan Island. They discovered exotic flora clustered atop Mount Victoria and Mount Sagpao. This included pink ferns, blue mushrooms, and a carnivorous pitcher plant so big it feeds on rodents and small monkeys. Number 6, Busabi Crater, Papua New Guinea. The cone of this volcano collapsed around 200,000 years ago, creating a kilometer-deep crater. In 2009, a team of scientists filmed for BBC documentary Lost Land of the Volcano found it harbored a diverse ecosystem. They discovered more than 40 unique species, including a giant rat that has 82 cm long. Number 5, Mobile Cave, Romania. This cave near Mangala was found in 1986 when workers building a geothermal power station dug down to 30 meters. It had been completely sealed off for 5.5 million years. Despite the lack of light or oxygen, a groundwater ecosystem had adapted to the toxic conditions, spawning translucent mutant insects. Number 4, Mount Roraima, Venezuela, Brazil, Guyana. The 2,800-meter mountain formation that marks the border between these three countries is 2 billion years old. On top lies a plateau in the clouds, accessible only by sheer rock face, where it rains almost every day of the year. It is said to be a strange country of unearthly landscapes and unique beasts, inspiring Arthur Conan Doyle novel The Lost World. Number 3, Challenger Deep, Western Pacific. A 2,550 km long and 69-kilometer wide, Challenger Deep is home to the deepest locations known to humankind. The extreme environment features unusual beds, expelling liquid carbon dioxide, and giant amoebas adapted to high pressure. It has only been visited on 4 brief occasions in history, including once by director James Cameron. Number 2, Han Sun Dong Cave, Vietnam. The biggest cave in the known world lies deep in the vast dense jungle of the Phong Nha Bang National Park. It was only explored in 2009, having been avoided for centuries because of loud sounds and roars emitting from its murky crevices. At 200 meter wide and 150 meter tall, Hang Sun Dong has its own weather system, forest, and river. Number 1, Lake Vostok, Antarctica. One of the largest caves in the world, Lake Vostok is as big as Lake Ontario, but twice as deep. It has been sealed up under 4 kilometers of ice for 15 million years. Samples brought to the surface has revealed a rich variety of life with unknown DNAs below. What do you think about this? Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.